Hello, this is Angelo Stralopa, CEO of Positivity Coaching, and you're listening to my podcast. How we frame a problem and who we define as a problem can significantly impact the answers that we may find. By framing it in a particular way, we may not limit our ability to see alternative solutions or perspectives. Additionally, defining a particular group or individual as the problem can lead to negative stereotypes and biases, which may prevent us from fully understanding the underlying issue at hand. Therefore, it's important to be aware of the way that we frame problems and the language that we use to describe them. By taking a more inclusive and open-minded approach, we can expand our understanding of complex issues and work towards finding more effective and equitable solutions. By being mindful of our framing and language, we can broaden our perspective and find more effective and equitable solutions to complex issues. Here are the strategies that we use at Positivity Global Coaching, which can help you in framing problems in a more inclusive and open-minded manner. Identify biases. Start by identifying all biases and assumptions that might influence the way you frame the problem. This self-awareness can help you recognize and avoid biases that may prevent you from seeing the problem from all angles. Listen to diverse perspectives. Seek out diverse perspectives and listen to a variety of voices. This can help you broaden your understanding of the problem and identify potential solutions that you may not have considered ever before. Reframe the problem. Instead of framing the problem in a negative or narrow way, try to reframe it in a more positive and inclusive manner. This can help open up new possibilities and solutions that may not have been apparent before. Collaborate with others. Collaboration can help bring together a diverse range of perspectives and ideas to tackle complex problems. Working with others can help you identify blind spots and develop more effective solutions. Adopt a growth mindset. By adopting a growth mindset, that can help you approach problems with an open mind and a willingness to learn. By viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, you can stay motivated and focused on finding solutions. Test assumptions. By testing your assumptions and hypotheses to see if they hold up to scrutiny, this can help you identify potential flaws in your thinking and lead to more effective problem solving. So next time you frame a problem, think about who you define as the problem. Thank you.
www.positivityglobal.org
This is Angelo Stralopas, and you can listen to my podcast on Spotify, Apple, and Google.